Hi, it's time for Portland Leather C-Grade unboxing. Most people who participated are getting browns and blacks. If you bought something, did you get any unicorn colors? I was hoping for some pebble black, but not smooth black though. Anyway, the first mystery bag is a medium crossbody in Dakota color. The Dakota leather is a brushed leather with a muted golden brown tone and velvety texture. The medium crossbody tote is one of my favorites from Portland Leather. The size is perfect for everyday carry, it's not too big and not too small. Probably why I keep buying more of their medium crossbody bag whenever they release a new color. This looked pretty good as a C-grade bag. Other than some scuff marks, I don't see any critical damages I should be concerned about. Since this is brushed leather, I should be able to use a soft brush to remove the scuffs. Due to the nature of this type of leather, it tends to get scuff marked easily. For daily use, I probably won't bother brushing it. Also, I bought bags from their C-grade sale because I want to use them and not plan to resell them, so I don't worry about imperfection. I love the zip closure on PLG's crossbody tote, and I'm quite happy to see this one also has one. The zipper works perfectly, and when I don't need the zipper, I can unzip it all the way and it will lay flat to the side and not get in the way. For those that came without a zipper closure, I usually add a snap button myself. This bag has an interior pocket, and I can definitely see some scratches on it. I may try to brush them out later. For the next unboxing is their mystery large or oversized tote. This one has cute stickers in the box. I may put them on my Kindle cover since the fake leather on the cover is peeling. Unfortunately, this is not the oversized tote that I was hoping for. I have bought so many now that I can tell if it's large or oversized by the weight of the box. At least this is the first time I have a bag in this leather though. It's their Durango leather, a smooth leather in chocolate brown color. The leather has some structure to it, but it doesn't have any pull up in color. This is their large classic tote, which doesn't have a zip closure. It's likely I will add a snap button before I use the bag. I like this color, but unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be available on their website. Since this is a C-grade bag, I do see some imperfections at the back of the tote. The marks are superficial and nothing to worry about. Inside the bag, there's a snap button leather loop for your keys and a good sized interior pocket. I love pockets, but I actually rarely use them, since I frequently use a bag insert. Overall, these are great C-grade bags for me. I'm just amazed that after buying so many PLG bags, I didn't end up with duplicates from this unboxing. If you are ready to get your first Portland leather bag, don't forget that I do have a 30% off referral link for your first premium order. Thanks for watching. Bye!